Hi, I'm Jenna, the Online Learning Graduate Assistant at Loyola Notre Dame Library. In this video, I'll show you how to search for a peer-reviewed article in OneSearch. Let's get started. First, go to the main library page at lndl.org or use a link provided in your Moodle or Canvas course. In the middle of the page, you'll see our new OneSearch search tool. OneSearch searches through all the library's resources, as well as everything we have access to as part of the US MAI Consortium. In the OneSearch bar, enter the topic you're looking for in quotation marks. The quotation marks help to narrow your results down to the exact string of words as you've typed them. Next, hit enter or click on search. If this is the first time searching, click on the yellow bar to sign in using your credentials. On the results page, you'll see that because I used the quotation marks, only resources that contain the exact phrasing illuminated medieval manuscripts populate. My search terms are also highlighted in yellow, and we have about 40 results. Using the limiters on the far left side, we're going to select some options to narrow it down any more. First, let's click on Limit to Peer-Reviewed Journals. Then we select a source type, articles, and I want to look at recently published articles. So under date published, let's select a 10-year range. And I want to change the language to English just to make sure I can read everything that populates, and click on Apply Filters. Now we have an even more selective list of articles with about 4 results to choose from. And you can see the purple peer-reviewed icon to let us know this journal has been peer-reviewed. Once you find an article you like, click on it. Let's go with this one. To view and read the article, select from one of the options at the top, Get PDF or Read Online. Let's click on Get PDF. You may be asked to sign in again. Once your PDF generates, read the abstract to make sure the article is in fact what you're looking for. If it is, click on the download icon. So that's it. I hope this helps you with your research. Check out other videos to learn how to open an ebook or find a specific journal.